Hi, I'm Chef Joe, and we're going to talk about the course CUL 156, the practical. This is our D2L course here, and this is the welcome page where announcements will be laid out. So first of all, I'd like everyone to get in and take the short survey I have on here. It's going to let us know exactly where you are working and who you're working for, so we can communicate with them as needed. Okay. And then the second thing I would like you to do is look at the Getting Started page. So there's under Contents, there's Getting Started right here. So then just take a peek at the employer's survey, the agreement. Make sure you print and fill that out, and then you get that scanned and returned to me. And then you have a consolidated timesheet. So when you're all done, you can add all your time up. Make sure you hit your allotted time. And then we have a student evaluation and learning experience. So it's basically, this is a survey about your learning experience. And then we have a student evaluation, which is your midterm exam, and then your final evaluation. All right. And then here under assignments, you will have weekly assignments that will be due. On week 2, the floor plan will be due. And then we have food safety, day-to-day organization, menu analysis, front and back of house hierarchy, reflection, and then a research paper. Okay, so basically if you just follow the schedule, you won't have any problems with anything that you're going to do here. And the schedule will be under this part here. Just go to that, and everything is laid out exactly when is due, what is due when. Okay. This is a self-paced course, but you need to complete the work on time. So you have about a week to 2 weeks to complete each module. Hopefully you stay a week ahead of every course and complete it. It should not take a long time, but every assignment is a little bit different. All right, so I think this is it. So just make sure if you have any questions, you can contact me. My phone number is 1-302-857-1774. That's 857-1774. You can usually get most of that information here under the instructor as well. All right, if you have anything else, let me know. Thank you.